Hola amigos.
Hi.
Today I want to introduce my brother to you. You may recognize him from such hits as the Game of Thrones parody and the growth mindset video that he participated in. So that's him, Andrei, but he sometimes goes by Boris, just like me.
Yes, we're all named Boris.
Yeah, so secretly that's our name. And today, what am I doing today? What are we doing today?
Superstition.
Yes.
There is superstition. Writings on the wall.
So let's demonstrate that.
Over here, we have Andrei. He is going outside for his daily stroll. He also needs to return some equipment that he borrowed from his dear friend. As he is getting ready to leave, he realizes that he forgot to grab the things that he needed to return to his friend. Realizing his error, he goes back to the front door where he is greeted by his brother to give him the forgotten items. But this is where the brothers forgot something very important.
Oops.
Oh no!
We are right under the doorway.
This is bad thing. Oh no.
Bad luck.
This is bad.
So you have to either come over here, yeah, ding, or you have to walk out, which also would be okay.
Ding.
And now you know.
Our superstition.
And now you know about the superstition that we have in Eastern Europe. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and have a good day.